Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, English with Artemis. Today we want to work on nature-related vocabulary, 10 nature-related vocabulary. But before that, I want you to do me a favor. Please like this video and leave a comment. Thank you. I say the definition and you say the word. Are you ready? This is the first one. Plant life of an area. Plant life of an area. What is the word? Flora. Excellent. Flora. The next one, number 2. Animal life of an area. Animal life of an area. What is the word? Fauna. Fauna. Perfect. Fauna. The next one is this. Species at their risk of extinction. Species at their risk of extinction. What is the phrase? Endangered species. Endangered species. The next phrase. Birds that move seasonally. Birds that move seasonally. Migratory birds. Migratory birds. Animals that hunt. Animals that hunt. Predator. Predator. Animals that are hunted. Animals that are hunted. What is the word? Prey. Prey. The next one. Natural place where organisms live. Natural place where organisms live. Habitat. Habitat. Variety of life in an ecosystem. Variety of life in an ecosystem. Biodiversity. Biodiversity. And the next one is plants that grow alongside rivers and streams. Plants that grow alongside rivers and streams. What is it? Riparian vegetation. Riparian vegetation. This one is for you. Layers of trees in a forest. Layers of trees in a forest. Comment it for us, please. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.